So this is what happened yesterday. Hindi na secure. So good morning guys. Time check, it's already 4:30 na ata. And na-late na naman ako. Overslept na naman. And andito ako ngayon sa labas kasi ihatid ako ng brother ko sa work ay sa trabaho. Wherein doon ako sumasakay ng shuttle. So ang shuttle is 5:15. And as of the moment, hindi na siya umuulan. Medyo okay pa naman yung panahon. But later, let's see kung ano yung magiging ng panahon later. Good morning everyone. So I'm still here at Ligao City waiting for the shuttle service. While I'm waiting for the shuttle service, I am checking my social media accounts and also sa weather update ng bagyong paparating. Finally, andito na yung shuttle service. Time check, it's already 1:07 p.m. and this is the current status ng weather ngayon. Time check, it's already 2:30 p.m. and this is the current status ng weather. Kung nakikita nyo, makulimlim na. Time check, it's already 5:15 p.m. and we decided na mag-evacuate na as early as we can sa bahay ng tita ko para maiwasan yung paparating na bagyo. As you can see, sobrang makulimlim na ang langit, so nagbabadya na ang malakas na ulan at hangin. So this is what happened yesterday during the Typhoon Uwan. Ito na yung nangyari. Then yun, yung mga puno. Ayan. Sobrang madaming gagawin, madaming lilinisin for today's video. And also, this is what happened sa sala namin. Ayan, sobrang basa. Kasi nabasag yung bintana. Ayan. Ayan yung bintana. Hindi na secure. Ito din. Hindi na secure yung bintana. So, nabasa dito sa floor. And dito naman sa kusina, medyo nabasa din because of these windows. Hindi na kasi siya nasasara. So, I think that's the reason why the floor is like this right now. But it's okay kasi minimal lang naman yung mga lilinisin dito sa bahay because of Typhoon Uwan. And let's check my room. Okay, so for my room, nagkaroon din ng minimal na basa. Nabasa din siya. And I don't know where it came from. Hindi ko alam kung saan to galing. Kasi, dito siya galing. That's so impossible kasi may ano na siya. Ito. Nalagyan ko siya sa ganito kasi tumutulo dito. And then, I don't know where this came from. Ang tubig na to. Which is minimal lang naman, pero gusto ko lang malaman kung saan galing kasi very I don't know.